and but anyhow, believe it or not, we went over the Pyrenees at night, and then we were over the top, and then we started going down, and the guide giving me the signs, you know, where is it, you know,
Yeah.
and I gave it to him, and boy, did he and that girl, that little guide, disappeared.
Yeah.
And so we just started going down and spent the night in a place that you could find. And me and somebody was in a shed, and you'd have to get the thing up at in the loft,
Right.
so that the dadgum goats don't get in there with you, you know. Well, anyhow, it was the worst condition that I have ever known,
Right.
because I could not sleep. I was hurting.
Right.
And next in the morning there, of course, there was one of those places that had places there to get you some food, and it had several great big hunks of pork, you know,
Right.
big slabs of it. And well, anyhow, I went in there and I sat down there, and I sat down. Well, there was two women there doing all of ignored me until after so many, I don't know how many, well, I started peeling out the money, you know, and boy,